Hello and welcome to Hello Raye. We are an online resource for designers, brands, and dealers to collaborate on projects together. As a brand, you are joining a community of design professionals from all over the world, and together with features like snapshots for visualization, boards for organization, and idea starters for inspiration, we can empower designers to make educated, efficient decisions for their projects. Let's get started. As a brand, you can access all of your information by logging in and clicking on this home icon in the upper right. This is the portal, and if you navigate to the left, you'll see a list of tabs. The first is the dashboard, and it displays the activity related to your products on Hello Raye. The next is inventory. Here you can directly add, edit, or remove products from our site. Beneath it is the Inbox tab. It displays direct information requests from designers to your company. Under the User tab, you can manage all the individuals associated with your company, and below it, the Campaigns tab will enable you to boost your visibility on the platform. The Profile tab allows you to edit your logo, address, bio, and social media links as they appear on your profile on Hello Raye. After that is Boards, which will allow you to curate idea starters and collections to promote on Hello Raye. In the Digital Catalogs tab, you will be able to learn more about having the Hello Raye discovery experience appear directly on your subdomain. And finally, the Settings tab will allow you to set permissions for snapshots and 3D model downloads. Once you are finished inside the portal, navigate to the upper right. In this drop-down, you can either go back to Hello Raye to view your products and add them to boards to share with designers, or you can securely log out of your account. Thank you for watching and being a member of our community. While this tutorial was brief, we do have more in-depth videos available on each tab. For questions, please feel free to reach out to partnerships@helloraye.com for assistance.